turbulence and happy kayo ko naabot ko sa Surigao karon. It's my first time in fact here and I'm really thankful ni Cap na invite ko niya and sa iyang tibuok banay dito sa Surigao. I'm really excited for it. Anything between entertainment people na nag-involve music. Nagbuwang man o, batanan. Sayo, batanan. Ila lang mo aton is, diha lang sila. Tindog ako lang bahalag sa sayo. Ato lang iminan gamay para naay energy gamay ba. Thank you.
Tagalisa ka?
John, originally I'm from South Cebu, Balood, Cebu, southern part of Cebu, but I'm currently staying nasa Cebu City na, Cebu base, but I frequently travel Manila or sometimes Mindanao for gigs.
Needed, sir.
22 miss. Since grade 6, miss, nag-start na ko DJ.
Single, sir?
Taken!
Flyer, sir, flyer. See you after sa band niya, play on niya. I don't know what time, but right after sa band, atuan na play.
O siya nga yan sa band?
Ano yung pangalan? Kanay kay back up?
Si Capo.
Si Capo.
Dyan sa back up.
Okay. Thank you!
Thank you.